Hello, today I'm going to show you Parkside Performance Impact Drill C3. Here is C3, which I bought in Lidl store. It's not only the drill, but it's all the set. It has 2 batteries, charger, then has 98 pieces of accessories, so it's full set with huge and heavy box. So let's look how the box looks like. Now, as you can see, everything is written in Italian, since I bought that device in Italy. Okay. Can try to what we have. Yes, it's written that it's included 98 accessories. We will see what's inside. Yes, and at the bottom there is some English instruction, so it's written 20-volt cordless impact driver, PSBSAP 20 Li C3 with battery, with charger, complete impact driver set including 2 rechargeable batteries, 2 ampere hours, 1 battery charger, 2.4 amperes, and 98 pieces range of accessories. Powerful motor with a 2-speed gearbox and optional impact mechanism. Brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear. 2 powerful 20-volt lithium batteries, 2 ampere hours each with a 3-stage LED status display, cell balancing, longer running time, increased battery lifespan, longer battery runtime and lifespan thanks to evenly loaded cells. And other stuff. I don't know if I will read everything. Yeah, so I can show you a bit. I don't know if it's in focus. More stuff, but anyway, the specifications is not so interesting as the box itself. So let's try to open the box. By the way, I paid for that set 120 euros. We'll see if it's worth the money. Okay. The box looks quite nice. Yes, here's the box. Let's try to open it. Okay, here's manual of batteries and charger. Here is manual of impact driver. Here is the charger of the batteries. The third battery. The second battery is already attached to the drill, and the drill looks quite solid. Okay, we have, as you see, we have remotes and we have 2 speeds. Right. What else? We have handle. Additional, probably we need to put that like this. It should be more convenient for some types of tasks. Here is for metering. Alright, and in that part of the box, that's it. You can open another part of the box. Okay, here's screwdriver. Knife. Another screwdriver. So what's here? Some of the heads. Here, more heads. for wood, metal and concrete. Okay, we'll see how it works. Yeah, you can see here. Metal, wood and concrete. Looks nice. Now the batteries. Batteries. Rechargeable. And it's 2 amp hours. Not great, not terrible. Charger. £65. It should be okay for one battery. Yeah, so what we need to try this tool. Looks from the first glance looks really nice. Let's try the charger. Let's see if it works. Okay. So seems that it's charging. Let's leave it. Let's try how it works in the wall. I will try to drill the wall.